If you've been feeling fear and anxiety in social situations, then you're not alone. My name is Andreina, and I've been in your shoes many times, and that's why I created this short class to help you come back to peace and balance. So let's get started. So let's sit in a cross-legged position, and you can place a yoga block under your bum so you can feel more comfortable. Place your hands on your knees and then close your eyes. And pay attention to your breath. Take an inhale. And as you exhale, relax your thoughts. Relax your head, your neck, your shoulders, your arms, your legs, the whole body. And as you take another inhale, hold at the top, open your mouth, and then exhale. Again, take a deep inhale. Hold at the top. Open your mouth and then exhale. Now open your eyes, and I want you to make two fists and then squeeze as much as you can. So squeeze. Squeeze as much as you can and then relax. Again, squeeze. Squeeze your hands, squeeze your arms as much as you can, and then exhale. Last time, squeeze as much as you can, and then relax. So take your hands, and then these three fingers are gonna be in front of your ears, and then the index finger is gonna be behind the ears. And put just a little bit of pressure, and then slowly start to slide the hands through your ears, the side of your neck, and then they meet at the center. And then they stop at the heart. Close your eyes, take an inhale, and breathe out through your heart. Again, fingers between your ears, and then slowly start sliding them down. Beside your neck, then your chest, and then they meet and they stop at the heart. Take an inhale and exhale through your heart. So let's come to all fours. So wrist under your shoulders and knees under your hip. And then from here, just make half a circle. Just go to one side, then come back, then go to the other side. And then if you want, you can make full circles. You can make this your movement. You can actually repeat one side. Just feel the stretch on the side of your body. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's just the idea is that you have to connect with your body and see what it needs right now. Just feel the stretch. And then from here, tuck the toes and then lift the hip. Let's come into downward facing dog. So your feet should be as wide as your hip. And then from here, lift the right leg up, bend the knee, and then push the knee towards your chest. And place your foot between your hands. If for some reason this is your max, then you can grab the ankle and then you can move the foot just so it is between your hands, and then bend the left knee, and from here place the right hand on the knee. Make sure that the knee is not over the toes, and then twist to your right. You can extend the arm if you want, or you can just place it on your knee. Whichever option is comfortable for you, then that's perfect. Take an inhale and an exhale. Then place your hand on the mat, tuck the left toe, and let's go into downward facing dog again. We're gonna repeat the same thing on the other side. So lift the left leg up, then bend the knee, and then push the knee to your chest. Place the foot between your hand and then bend the right knee. Place the left hand on the knee and then twist to the left. Again, you can extend your arm or you can just leave it on the knee. Take an inhale and a gentle exhale. And then place your hand on the mat, tuck the right toe, and then downward facing dog. And then from here, slowly, let's start rounding the spine. And then slowly, we're just gonna go into plank. You can adjust your feet if you want. Make sure that your body is in alignment. It's like a one straight line. And then bend your knees. And then let's go into child's pose. So knees are as wide as your yoga mat. And then toes are touching. And your forehead is on the mat. Arms are in front of you. Take a deep inhale. And a gentle exhale. One more time, inhale. And exhale. And you can place your pillows below your knees. This is gonna help you relax even more. Toes are pointing out, and then you can relax the entire body. Take an inhale. And a gentle exhale. You can repeat after me or listen to the affirmations. I am worthy of love and acceptance just as I am. I embrace social situations with confidence and ease. I trust myself to handle any social situation with grace. I deserve to connect with others and build meaningful relationships. I am capable of handling any social challenge that comes my way. And I choose to focus on the present and enjoy every moment. Thank you so much for joining me in this class, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you have a comment, leave it in the section below. Give it a thumbs up if you really like this class, and follow for more yoga videos. Namaste.